What's going on, family? God bless you. How you doing? It's Sunday here in my world. It's a gloomy freaking day. I hope you're doing alright. I hope you're feeling good. One thing I want to do as well is I want to apologize to you guys. I said in my last video, or the 2 videos ago, where I did a 405 squat challenge. That was my last video that I posted for you guys. In that video, I was at Chisel Health and Fitness, which is my local powerlifting facility, or powerlifter friendly gym. It's a great place. Like I said in my last video, go check it out if you haven't already. I was there yesterday. I want to make it a thing where I record there every Saturday. Since it's a dope environment, it's a dope facility. Whenever I go there, the crowd is right, the mood is just excellent. So I want to record it as often as I can for you guys. But yesterday, I get there, I have my camera and not my tripod. Now I could have, of course, just gone and put my camera, stand it up on some weights or put it on a bench, but I don't want to do that. I want to have everything for this YouTube video to a certain standard now that I've set for myself, and I don't want to come under that. And yesterday, it was the worst thing, because yesterday I got there, my nemesis on the deadlift for a long time, Tim Thibodeau, was present. He came, he showed up. I had planned on pulling 545 for a single, or a couple singles, beltless. I got there, pulled 545. He says to me, "Hey man, throw in my belt and pull 6 plates." And it was the ugliest PR of my life. I didn't even record it for the YouTube because it was just such a hitching and grinder. It was yanking, pulling, it was gross, it was ugly, it was gym PR to the greatest, but nonetheless, I am happy with it. I finally pulled 6 plates off the floor. So thank you, Tim, for that motivation and pushing me to do it on that day, because I was not in the mood for it. This is a really long rant, a long talk, but let's get to the actual workout. Compilation. I never know how to say that word. Let's get to the actual workout compilation and cue the music right now. Just in case you weren't already able to tell Today we're going up to a heavy triple on front squats. So for me, it's a max effort day on the front squat. It's usually a bodybuilding Sunday, a bodybuilding squat Sunday, but I didn't do Tuesdays, maximum lower. So today's max lower, and tomorrow's max upper, and we're on Tuesday, and Wednesday's back to being max lower. So fixing today's schedule by making my bodybuilding Sunday a somewhat max effort lower day. Hopefully 315 for a triple. Hopefully! To the wise lifter who wants to get better and stronger. If your back squat is suffering because you don't feel enough core stability, start doing front squats. They really suck at first, but after a couple sessions, you're gonna feel the carryover to your back squat. Not immediately on strength, but immediately on your core stability. Because you're taxing your core a lot more with the position you have the bar on the front squat. So doing these is carried over to my back squat phenomenally. Stop being dumb. Front squat. Cutting yourself short. This guy here never front squats. And his back squat sucks. Alright. Sorry for the environment. We're in my kitchen right now. I didn't close out in the gym because, well, I forgot to. There were PR attempts going on, PRs, training my girlfriend and my girlfriend's friend, along with my other friend. I was training with him, so there's just a lot of stuff going on. I get lost sometimes in the gym and I just get so amped up because I love being there. I get involved with everyone's business, and before I get out the door, I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to record my outro, but okay, I'll do it here. I wanted to say one thing as well. We're going to touch base on a topic which I see so many beginner lifters making nowadays. And by so many, I do mean a lot of you guys I see coming into the gym eager to get strong, eager to push bigger weights, to chase to a 405 squat, or 315 squat, a 500-pound deadlift. And these guys will go into the gym and they will work up to a max on their competition lift, competition deadlift on the floor, a deadlift, a competition bench press, and competition squat, back squat. They'll work up to a maximum effort every time they touch the barbell. You do not want to do that. That is the worst way to get stronger. You're cutting yourself short from so much possible strength gain doing that. If you want to get stronger, you're a new lifter, hop on a program. I'm not one to say go for programs. I knew from the start of when I started powerlifting, going into a max, deadlift session or bench session or whatever, I didn't work up to the max. I was conservative from the get-go. But if you're new and you have no idea what you're doing, hop on a program. Conjugate, be it linear, Wendler 531. Heck, I started off honestly using strong lifts 5x5. There's an application on the iPhone or on Android. Download it. It's a good way to start. Gets you that discipline of not working up to incredible maxes every session. But if you're a new lifter, that's some advice I can offer you. Don't work up to a max every single session. It's not going to benefit you. Cutting yourself short of so many possible strength gains because you're too eager. In powerlifting, it is a sport of patience, enjoying the training to get stronger, not always going in and testing your strength. If you have a day where you wake up, you go to the gym, you're like, oh man, I feel really strong today. Let's test my bench. Don't. Feel strong that day, just go in. I feel so strong. Let's get stronger. I feel good. These weights feel light. I'm working to a weight that I know is going to benefit me in the long run. So down the line in a year or two, I can be benching more weight than I am right now. When you feel good, get stronger. Test when the time comes to test. But don't always work up to a 1 RM. On the competition lift. Be patient. Powerlifting is a slow, gradual process, but the end result is fantastic. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate you. I do like closing out here. Oh, excuse me, from my kitchen. The lighting is decent, but I can talk. I have a lot of space to move around here. You might see this place more often. It's time to eat. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Stay savage and God bless. Peace.